and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond76 Home Decor on a Budget, and for today's video it's going to be involving my Louis Vuitton agenda and in order that I placed online. And what I like to do is I like to stay organized when it comes to my agenda, and I am able to do that with the help of cloth and paper. I'm having to have to re-record this, so the box is already opened because I want to make sure that you see exactly what I am talking about. Now, Cloth and Paper is an online company. They are on Instagram at Cloth and Paper. They also are on YouTube at Cloth and Paper. Now, if you don't know anything about Cloth and Paper is where I get all my inserts for my agenda. Also, I also get from Cloth and Paper, I also get my notepads from as well, and I'm going to show you these up close in a minute as well. I love all of Cloth and Paper's inserts. They have every insert. Okay, for example, if you have a file effect, they have inserts for that. They have calendars for the file effects. They have calendars for the PM, Louis Vuitton PM. And they also have calendars for the Louis Vuitton GM, if I'm correct. Okay, and I just love to get their inserts. And let me show you a quick look at the insert without showing within my agenda. They have the harder I work, the luckier I get. I don't know if they still have this one, but this is what they have, and I forgot what you do call these. And I'm trying to see if they have anything else. I know that these right here, these cards, I got these from File Effects. These right here where you can slip your cards in right here. Okay, and let me go ahead and show you the notepads that I also got from Cloth and Paper. They do have it in gold up here, Sunday through Saturday. And they also have on here a gold box down here. This one I just use for things like my nails, my hair, anything that's not important. But with this one, I do, okay? And this one has today and the schedule on here. So I put all my important schedules on this one as well. This one does have a sticky back to it. This one does not. So I just stick these in my agenda. And this one, as a matter of fact, I think I keep this one in the pocket right here in the front of my agenda. Okay, and let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Now, what I ordered was the 2020 calendar, okay, for my agenda. What I like about Cloth and Paper is that they make it easy for you to choose the correct size for your agenda. Mine is the once again, and I chose the personal size for my and this is how it comes packaged. And I have my address on the other side, and I don't want to show that. And what they do is they send you the most prettiest cards for your packaging when you do receive it. Now, if you order something from them, they do send you a 10% off discount on your next purchase of $25 or more. And like I said, they just send you the cutest cards. Cross off your list. Your order has arrived. Okay. and they also send you the receipt. Now, like I said, I had already opened this and I've already done the unboxing, but I'm having to have to redo it again. This was inside of this, like this, okay? And then they had it inside of this as well. So I love their black packaging, okay? And let me go ahead and move this to the side. Now, these are the calendars the calendar inserts for my agenda. And what I'm going to do is in just a moment, I'm going to stand up to give you a better view. Now, let me say this. One thing about Cloth and Paper I really love is the quality of their paper, okay? I just feel like they use the best quality for their paper. And so let me come closer to show you. And what my cameraman is going to do, if I'm not in frame, he's going to go up and down. This is the front, the beginning of the 2020 calendar. And they also have This Belongs To, and I hope that you can see that. Okay, and on the back of this, they have the calendar at a glance, starting with January all the way to December. Okay, and on this one right here, they have a list of all of the holidays. Okay, and right here is well, you can list your birthdays. They have the date and they have a description. They also have upcoming events, also the date and the description. Right here, they have weekly habits, and they have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, so you can list those right here. On this side right here, you can put a monthly to-do list on this side right here. Okay, and on this side right here, they do have boxes. Now again, my calendar is vertical, but they give you 2 options to this. On this side right here, they do have the boxes, okay, and it has Sunday through Saturday on this side. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you. Now, this is the calendar, the part that I will be using. And sometimes I do utilize this side as well. Now, let me see if I can hold this so I can show you. Okay, now, this is the calendar right here. And what happens with this calendar right here is that it's going to start December the 30th on a Monday. Then it's going to go to the 31st, which is a Tuesday. And then it's going to come back over here to the, wait a minute. Okay, the 30th, 31st. Okay, and then the 1st, which is right here. So basically, what happens is, let me stand so you can see this. Wait a minute, let me put this one down really quickly. Okay, what happens is, again, the calendar starts on the 30th, okay, which is on a Monday. On this side for the 31st, which is a Tuesday, and then Wednesday, the 1st. Then it comes back over here for the 2nd, the 3rd, then the 4th, and the 5th. So basically, the calendar goes from left to right, okay, on my side of the camera. So left to right, okay. And I've been using this calendar for a while, and I do love the layout of the calendar. And like I said, we got to remember, everything is not on one page. It's on 2 different pages. So it goes from the left on my end of the camera to the right. So it starts the 30th, the 31st, and then the 1st, and then back over here to the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th. Okay, and let me make sure that I'm putting this back the correct way. And what I also like about this calendar, and let me show you if I can find it really quickly. Okay. What they also do is include a to-do list. Okay. And that is on this page right here, as well as on this one. It goes from number 1 to 27. Okay. So if you need to jot something down, like websites, um, a company that you saw, or anything that you need to write down that's really important. And I think this is really good because I think I used this, I'm sure I did, for websites that I needed to look at, or stores that I went to, or a particular item that I saw in a store. So that's what these are for. Or you can write down when your car needs to be put in the shop, any reminder. So that's the reason why I like the lines on here, the vertical lines on here for this. And this goes all the way to December, if I'm not correct. And each month, they do give you these lines right here. They do give you this at the end of the month. So if you need to go and write something down, you can do that, or to keep note of something. So January, they have those notes. February, they have those notes as well. And I think that's it. Let me see. Okay. Like, let me show you an example. Like December. Okay. You have the notes as well for December. Okay. And I just want to make sure that I showed you everything. Again, this is at the end of January. You get notes on this side and this side as well. Okay. So basically the calendar is the same. Okay. It has this, and starting at each month, it has this as well, for February as well through December. Okay, so I'm just trying not to mix up my calendar. Okay, and that is my small haul from Cloth and Paper. And like I said, if you're into agendas like I am, and if you're like what I just showed you, please go check out Cloth and Paper. Like I said, again, they are on Instagram, they are on YouTube as well. I am subscribed to them on YouTube. I am subscribed to them on Instagram. And if you want to, please go over to their website. It is online, and it is called Cloth and Paper. Okay, so you won't have any issues of finding them on Instagram or YouTube or on their website, because they have the same name. And that is it for my video. I just wanted to show you, and I do like to plan early, because I know we're still in 2019, but I like to plan early. Okay, so what I'm going to do is stick them back in the paper that I got them in, and then I'm going to put them back in the box, and I'm just going to put them up until 2020, because like I said, I like to plan early. And if you like my content, if you like my video, if you like home decor or luxury unboxing, please join my channel. Okay, I would more than welcome, I would love it if you would like to join my channel. And if you also want to join me on my Instagram, please join me at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you on my Instagram as well. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.